What is email marketing? Email marketing is a strategy in which you reach out to a large group of targeted audience via email to promote your product and services. Your email may be about an upcoming sale, a new launch, a special offer, or anything related to your business. The idea mainly is to create a brand awareness and build loyalty and trust by reaching out to people via email. In this section below, I will tell you how to make your email marketing campaign a big success, even you are just getting started with email marketing. First, start with a targeted list. Your campaign should begin by building a targeted email list. Without a list, you can't even start your campaign. The best way to collect email is to convert your visitor into subscriber. But how do you do that? Because not all your visitors may be willing to do sign up and become a subscriber. Many successful email marketers have used and achieved great result by using existing pop-up to turn abandoned website visitors into subscriber. Exit intent pop-ups are strategically designed to appear on your user screen as soon as they try to leave your site or open a new tab. Second, set a goal for your campaign. Do you know why you are running this campaign? Because you don't have a specific goal in mind. Then stop right now. Take a break and think about what action you want your subscriber to take. You might set a goal to increase your sale by promoting a product or services. Nurture existing subscriber by offering them something they would love. Attract your existing subscriber attention after long inactivity. Segment your customer to send out more targeted email. You don't necessarily need to have the exact same goal. You can have your own list based on your conversion goal. Second, work on your headline. Once you have figured out what you want this campaign, it is time to draft your email. The first thing that user will notice about your email is your subject line. That's where the actual game begins. Draft a headline that is so powerful that people just can't ignore it. Remember, it's your headline that will decide whether your email will be opened, deleted, or even land in the spam folder. Third, writing an engaging email. So your title convinced your follower to open the email. Now that if they don't read something persuasive, you might lose their attention. To prevent that from happening, you can follow this step. Use persuasive writing. Make sure to ask the reader to take one specific action. Keep your sentence and paragraph short. That way your reader will find it easy to understand your message without losing interest. Build a connection with reader. You can do that with the tone of your writing. Always make us our first person when you are writing your email. This lets your reader feel that you are having a conversation directly with the reader. Personalize the email by using the reader name. Using the name in the email can make them feel like the email was written specifically from them. This can help you grab their attention really quick. Finally, be relevant and precise. People don't have time for long email. Plus, they are boring, so don't waste time talking about unnecessary things. Stick to your point and pass the message quickly. Fourth, use psychology boost click. If you want your email marketing to convert, try using the game of psychology as part of your strategy. You don't need a psychology degree for this. Just make use basic psychology to predict your user behavior. You can make people take quick action on your site by using urgency. For example, you can use a countdown time to make them feel that their time is running out and the sale will be end soon. Or you can use time sensitive power words that grab quick attention. Another way to draw this attention so that your product might run out of stock. So here you can use scarcity to promote action. People will take quicker action rather than waiting for later because they don't want to miss the chance. Fifth, use an effective design. The next important step to consider is the design of your copy. Do your best to make it look professional. The best email service provider like constant contact or beautiful personally designed template that convert well. Third, pay attention to your CTAs. Choose the right word, color and size of your button to make them appealing and actionable. 6. Reward your reader. Sometimes it's good to give away free stuff instead of selling all the time. It can be free download, free tips, advice, or anything of that kind. This encourages the reader to take action because naturally we all fond of free stuff. Checking out. 7. Try upselling. A great way to make some extra money with email marketing is by upselling your product or services. This is popular method where you very smartly persuade your user to make an additional purchase. For example, you are selling a product for $20. You can convince your user to spend just an extra dollar to get upgraded quality of the same product. 8. Cross-sell related product. Another effective way to make money with email marketing is to cross-sell related product. By using this technique, you can convince your user to spend some extra money by purchasing an additional product of their interest. For example, let's say you are using your email marketing campaign to sell lip balm to your user and have successfully convinced them to make the purchase. Once the payment is done, you can send an automated email that recommends a related product that you are selling, like hand lotion, because the buyer is interested in the lip balm. Chances are that they will interested in buying lotion too. 9. Send and follow up. The final step is to hit to send button, but does not it sometimes your follower will not take action just by reading your emails.